Salut. Next, we'll look at séquence 3, liste 2, la NIF d'un ami, the first set of activities. It is short, d'accord? So, enfin voilà, it's short, c'est court. Exercice 1, la chasse d'intrus. You know what to do here. Choisis le mot qui ne correspond pas. You probably don't even have to listen. Exercice 2, on the other hand, you've done before. You have to find, d'accord, down here, the different objects, and you're going to write them next to the description. So, numéro 1, on les reçoit. One receives them. Remember, one them receives. On les reçoit à Noël pour son anniversaire. One receives them for Christmas and for one's birthday. D'accord? So that one's an easy one to find. It's les cadeaux, and you're going to write it up here. I'm going to do it in a quasi. Voilà. All right, going to exercice 3. Let me scroll down. All right, l'anniversaire de Marie. Remplis les vides d'un mot du lexique. Fill in the blanks with a word from the lexicon, word bank, pour finir les instructions de Carole, to finish Carole's instructions. So, Carole is saying, il y a une blank samedi pour fêter l'anniversaire de Marie. There's a something Saturday in order to celebrate Marie's birthday. Oh, soiree. That will count as a vocab word on your speaking. Il y a une soirée samedi pour fêter. There's like an evening party to celebrate Marie's birthday. Cool. Let's see if there's any words you might not know in here. Near number 3, il faut me faire. You have to make for me, or you have to do for me. D'accord? C'est son préféré. That's her favorite. Remember, don't use favori. C'est mon préféré. It is my favorite. You say my preferred. D'accord? Quand elle souffle, that's on your vocab list. You can figure that out. Okay, bon. I think you're good. Exercice 4, faire les paires. It says, trouve la traduction à droite et écris-la à gauche. Find the translation on the right and write it on the left. So this is, in your grammar, you have to memorize a bunch of different prepositions. D'accord? And here are a few of them. So you've got, for example, like. D'accord? That is comme. And that's all you're doing. Maybe even cross it out over here so that you don't accidentally use something twice. D'accord? And try and do this from memory. Try and study your list a few times and then do this as a okay. So that you're actually retrieving from your short-term memory, because that will make your brain prioritize information so you store it in your long-term memory. So give it some time, study quick, d'accord? And then go back, recall that way. It's best for your brain to do it in that way. All right, looking at exercice 5, finir la phrase, finish the phrase. This is what your quizzes will look like, d'accord? So the bolded words, you're going to check out, and voilà. So you've got, let me just read the directions. Utilise votre vocabulaire et grammaire pour remplir les vides. Use your vocab and grammar to fill in the blanks. So number 1, it says, j'ai une histoire, and you want to say about you. D'accord? To say about, it was de. Remember, from, of, or about. I have a story of you. I have a story about from you. I have a story about you is what you're really saying. J'ai une histoire de. Now, is it going to be toi or vous? I told you in the grammar that I'll tell you on the quiz. Notice that I did here. Singular, familiar. So not vous, but just toi. D'accord? J'ai une histoire de toi. C'est bon? All right. Exercice 6. You're not going to do. You're going to save until next time. Okay? So it's just the first 5 exercises. C'est bon? All right, that's it. So, au revoir.